Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric drain augers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Shal 20V Cordless Drain Auger with 25 feet plumbing drain snake. This product is designed for versatility and simplicity, offering a flexible cable that allows you to clear clogs and pipes ranging from 3/4 to 2 inches in diameter. With its variable speed control of up to 550 RPM and a replaceable steel cable, it excels in providing adaptability for a variety of common household clogs. The ergonomic design and LED work light make it a user-friendly tool, even in darker environments. In terms of design and build quality, the Shal auger is solidly constructed with a durable cable that easily maneuvers through L, U, and S-shaped pipes without kinking. The 20V lithium-ion battery provides long-lasting power and can be fully charged within 1.5 hours, which is a great feature for those who need quick turnaround times. It also includes a handy storage bag and drainage port to keep the drum clean after use. While this auger delivers reliable performance, the lack of pricing transparency and limited customer reviews, 3.9 out of 5 stars from 18 ratings, make it harder to evaluate its overall value. It's a strong contender for users who want a hassle-free experience with features like cable stall grinding for stubborn clogs. But it may not appeal to those looking for a well-established product with extensive feedback. At number 4 is the Ryobi 18-volt OnePlus Hybrid Drain Auger, an innovative tool designed for users who are already invested in Ryobi's OnePlus battery system. The standout feature here is its hybrid power compatibility, allowing you to use either AC power or Ryobi's 18-volt OnePlus batteries, sold separately. Its 25-foot reinforced cable minimizes kinking, making it particularly effective for pipes up to 2 inches wide, such as sinks and bathtubs. The design is sleek and modern, with a removable handle for easy storage. While the tool's lightweight construction makes it portable, it's worth noting that the battery and charger are not included, which adds to the overall cost if you don't already own Ryobi batteries. The powered forward and reverse feeding mechanism is a major plus, reducing user fatigue during extended use. Overall, the Ryobi auger is a solid choice for homeowners who appreciate the flexibility of a hybrid-powered tool. However, it carries a slightly higher price point at $154.99 and has a relatively low customer rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. This makes it a better fit for DIY enthusiasts rather than those seeking a more robust professional-grade solution. At number 3, we have the Populo 12-volt cordless electric drain auger, which stands out as the most budget-friendly option in this list at $59.97. Don't let the low price fool you. This tool delivers solid performance for quick maintenance tasks. The 17-foot cable is optimized for clearing clogs and pipes, ranging from 3/4 to 2 inches in diameter, making it ideal for showers, kitchen sinks, and bathtubs. Its compact size and cordless design make it a grab-and-go solution for homeowners looking to tackle clogs without fuss. The build quality is impressive for its price point, featuring a reinforced high-carbon steel cable that resists bending and corrosion. It includes a storage bag and gloves, ensuring portability and cleanliness during and after use. The 12-volt lithium battery provides reliable power, although the runtime is limited compared to higher voltage models. With a perfect customer review score of 5.0 out of 5 stars from 14 ratings, this auger is an excellent choice for users who need an affordable and efficient tool for routine maintenance. However, it's not designed for heavy-duty tasks or professional use, and its shorter cable length may be a limitation for more complex clogs. Coming in at number 2 is the Populo 20V cordless electric drain auger, a versatile and efficient tool for tackling household clogs. Priced at $84.13, it offers great value for its features, including a 25-foot flexible cable that's replaceable for extended usability. The auto-feed mechanism allows you to move the cable forward and backward with ease, saving time and effort compared to manual tools. With up to 60 minutes of runtime per charge, it's ideal for common maintenance tasks. The design is user-friendly, featuring a rubberized grip for comfort and an LED work light for visibility in dark spaces. Additionally, the rear drain port prevents water buildup in the drum, which is a thoughtful touch for long-term maintenance. It's lightweight, yet durable, making it accessible for both beginners and professionals. The included video tutorials via QR code ensure a smooth learning curve for first-time users. With a customer rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars from over 5,800 reviews, this auger is a reliable choice for most homeowners. However, it's not suitable for more stubborn blockages like tree roots, so it's best used for routine clogs. All in all, it's a cost-effective solution for those looking to upgrade from manual plumbing tools. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Rigid 55808 Power Clear 120-volt drain cleaning machine kit, which sets the benchmark for premium performance and durability. Priced at $225, this machine is the most expensive on the list, but delivers exceptional value for professionals and serious DIYers alike. The auto-feed technology allows you to feed and retrieve the 30-foot heavy-duty inner core cable without touching it, making it one of the easiest tools to operate. The compact design fits perfectly into tight spaces, while the clear cover lets you monitor cable usage in real time. The build quality is top-notch, with a robust plastic housing and a guide hose that keeps your workspace clean during operation. Its 450 RPM motor clears even the toughest clogs in pipes ranging from 3/4 to 1.5 inches. The 2-piece guide hose is particularly useful for hard-to-reach areas, adding to its versatility. Plus, the full lifetime warranty against material defects ensures peace of mind for long-term use. With a customer rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars, the Rigid 55808 is the gold standard for electric drain augers. While it's on the pricier side, its durability, ease of use, and powerful performance make it the ultimate tool for tackling stubborn clogs in tubs, showers, and sinks. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.